In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a view in Airtable. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to shape your workspace so it shows exactly what you need and hides everything that just gets in the way. First, start by opening the base that contains the information you want to work with. Once the base loads, look toward the top left where your views are listed and select the specific view you want to edit. This might be a grid view, a calendar view, or something else, but the main idea is that you're choosing the perspective you want to customize. Next, take a look at the view bar, usually found near the name of your view. Here you'll see the main customization tools like filter, group, and sort. Think of this bar as your control center for how information appears. You're not changing the underlying data, you're just controlling how it's displayed. A great place to start is by hiding or showing fields. Near the view name, look for the drop-down or a button labeled Hide Fields. When you click this, you'll see a list of all the fields in your table. Uncheck anything that isn't helpful for this specific view and leave only the fields you actually need. This makes your view cleaner, easier to scan, and reduces distractions, especially in large bases. Now, apply filters to narrow down what records you see. Click on Filter, then set a condition such as Status is complete. Airtable will instantly update the view to show only the records that match those conditions. Filters are perfect when you want to focus on a particular stage of a workflow, a specific team member, or a certain time period. After that, try grouping your records. Click on Group and select a field, for example, Assignee. Your records will be organized into collapsible sections based on that field. This makes it much easier to understand who owns what or how many tasks are in each category. You can layer on sorting to fine-tune the order of records. Click Sort, then choose a field like Due Date, and decide whether you want it in ascending or descending order. You can add multiple sort levels to break ties, keeping the most important information at the top. Finally, use color to make patterns stand out visually. Open the color options and choose a rule, such as coloring records based on a status or priority field. This quickly draws your eye to what's urgent, what's done, or what needs attention. Once you combine hiding fields, filtering, grouping, sorting, and color, you'll have a fully customized Airtable view tailored to how you work.